Crocodile kills man in Portmore, St. Catherine.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A killer crocodile might be on the prowl in the El Chapon area of Portmore, St. Catherine. The police have confirmed that 67-year-old Wilford Edmondson was the victim of a deadly crocodile attack on Sunday morning, August 26. Reports are that about 9:15 a.m., Edmondson was among a group of friends fishing when the crocodile attacked. The reptile took the senior citizen into the mangrove and inflicted wounds to his head. The Marine unit of the Jamaica Constabulary Force searched for a while and recovered a part of the body. We do not have any information on whether NEPA has captured the crocodile as yet, a representative of the Constabulary Communications Unit stated. The Jamaica Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals is calling on the National Environmental Protection Agency NEPA to act quickly to neutralize the threat being posed by the crocodile which allegedly killed the man. If it is caught, it must be put down, said Pamela Lawson, managing director of the agency. The crocodile is protected, but if NEPA catches it, it must be put down because it is a rule of thumb. I am afraid that once an animal causes grave injury to a human, it is always put down once you can establish that it is the right animal, so NEPA needs to act quickly. However, NEPA has repeatedly appealed to members of the public to desist from capturing or harming crocodiles. The American crocodile, which is one of Jamaica's protected animals, is typically docile but can be aggressive when harassed, according to NEPA. Crocodiles are protected under the Wildlife Protection Act, and it is an offense to have a crocodile or any part of the animal in one's possession. Anyone found guilty of these offenses are liable to a fine of up to $100,000 or 12 months imprisonment. Members of the public are urged to call NEPA at 888-991-5005 or 754-7540 if crocodiles are seen in areas outside of their natural habitat where they may pose a threat to human activities, or if they are being captured, harassed, harmed, or the meat is being sold. Reports may also be made to 119 or the nearest police station.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.